Want a home that feels free-spirited, stylish, and cozy all at once? Boho interior decor blends colors, textures, and culture in ways that feel effortless and inviting. Whether you're starting from scratch or just adding a few bohemian touches, this guide is for you. Let's dive into creative boho decor ideas to transform your space into a warm, artistic retreat. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What role do plants play in boho decor? Plants add life and softness. Think hanging vines, potted palms or cacti in woven baskets or clay pots. They complement the earthy palette and bring a fresh, organic vibe that enhances any boho space. Tap like if you love handcrafted decor. What materials are popular in boho decor? Use raw, natural materials like jute, wood, linen, leather, rattan, ceramics, and handmade fabric. They give the space warmth, texture, and authenticity, hallmarks of the boho design approach. Like this if you're into boho minimal vibes. What lighting styles match boho decor? Go for warm-toned lighting with vintage bulbs, lanterns, string lights, or beaded chandeliers. Look for unique pieces made from rattan, bamboo, or woven fabric for that handcrafted charm. Stay with us for more wall styling tips. What kind of wall art suits boho interiors? Look for abstract prints, tribal patterns, tapestries, or framed botanical or desert-themed artwork. You can also hang mirrors with wood or rope frames to reflect light and create visual interest. Like this video if your walls deserve a free-spirited refresh. What is boho interior decor all about? Boho decor embraces individuality, mixing textures, earthy tones, global accents, and vintage finds. It's a style rooted in self-expression, creativity, and relaxed comfort, with a layered and collected feel. Like this video if you're ready to embrace your inner boho spirit. What furniture fits a boho theme? Choose natural wood, rattan, or cane furniture with curved lines and a vintage or eclectic vibe. Layer in secondhand finds, poofs, and low seating for a relaxed, mismatched yet harmonious look. Browse our channel for vintage furniture styling tips. How do you mix boho with modern or minimal styles? Keep your base clean and modern, then add boho elements like textiles, plants, and carved accents. Balance is key. Pair neutral furniture with colorful throws and simplicity with pattern play. Like this if you love blending styles and breaking rules. How do you make a boho living room feel inviting? Use a mix of textures like leather, velvet, and linen in cushions, curtains, and accent chairs. Add floor seating, layered rugs, and a mix of patterns to create a free-spirited social space. Hit the like button if comfort is your top decor goal. How do you make a boho space feel cohesive? Stick to a general earthy palette, keep textures varied, and repeat key elements like rattan or prints. Let the mix of patterns and pieces tell a story that feels free-spirited but thoughtfully collected. Save this video to your home decor playlist. How do you decorate a boho-inspired bedroom? Layer bedding with tassels, quilts, or global prints. Add fairy lights and mix low-level furniture pieces. Incorporate bedside rugs, hanging lanterns, and dreamy canopies for a cozy, eclectic retreat. Subscribe for more bedroom inspiration. How can you create a boho reading nook? Use a hanging chair or low armchair, add textured pillows, a colorful rug, and soft throw blankets. Finish it off with a side table, stack of books, and a warm lamp for cozy, mindful moments. Save this idea for your next weekend DIY project. How do you choose colors for boho spaces? Go for warm earth tones like terracotta, ochre, rust, cream, and forest green for a grounded look. Then add pops of jewel tones or pastel accents to reflect your personality and energize the space. Save this for your next home makeover mood board. How do you add boho touches without redecorating? Start small, switch out throw pillows, hang a macramé piece, or add woven baskets and plants. Even a few layered rugs or a vintage mirror can shift your space to a more bohemian vibe. Follow us for more culturally rich decor ideas. How can textiles elevate boho decor? Textiles are key. Use patterned rugs, macramé hangings, embroidered cushions, and chunky throws. Mix prints, materials, and global styles to create that laid-back, well-traveled Bohemian atmosphere. Hit subscribe for more cozy and creative styling ideas. What accessories define boho style? Think dream catchers, crystal bowls, tribal sculptures, ceramic vases, and rustic lanterns. These pieces add layers of story, soul, and a bit of wanderlust to any shelf or surface. Save this tip if you love mixing prints fearlessly. Boho decor isn't about perfection, it's about personality, comfort, and creative freedom. Start with textures and layer in memories, and your home will feel soulful and serene in no time.